What up, good people? Huge shout out to Hampton Mercedes for allowing me to review this beautiful Mercedes E350. Man, let's get into this review. Today we're introducing the 2024 Mercedes E-Class 350, a masterpiece in motion, draped in a timeless allure of polar white, standing tall at 57 inches and stretching a commanding 194 inches in length. This symbol of luxury sets new standards in elegance and performance. With a substantial wheelbase of 116 inches and a ground clearance of 5 inches, each journey promises a harmonious blend of power and precision. For generations, the E-Class have both defined and redefined luxury sports sedans. With intelligent digital technology, advanced turbo mild hybrid power, and breathtaking style, this E-Class once again raised the standard for sedans. Also, this has an MSRP of $71,000. Under the hood is the 2.0 liter inline-4 turbocharged engine, coupled with a dynamic mild hybrid drive, experience a seamless fusion of exhilaration performance and a eco-conscious technology. With an impressive 255 horses and a staggering 295 pound-feet of torque at 2,000 RPM. This powerhouse accelerates from a 0 to 60 in just 6.1 seconds, effortlessly conquering the road ahead. With a top speed of 130 miles per hour and with an outstanding fuel efficiency rating up to 33 mpg on the highway, 24 in the city. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with macchiato beige. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your power and charge gauge. In the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your digital layout, trip, map, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings with your menu button. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command with your plus and minus paddle shifters. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your headlight bezel. Looking on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat setting, with your heating and cool seats, with your seat adjustment. Looking down on the door pane, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your auto start feature with your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. You have your shift lever. This particular model is a 9-speed automatic transmission. Right here we're looking at a 14-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Turn climate control to 5.
Setting the temperature to minimum.
Hey Mercedes, what time is it?
It's now 10:54 a.m. on the dot.
Looking down from the radio, you have your drive mode with your traditional radio shortcuts. You have your cup holder area with your 2 USB outlets with your wireless charging pad. Now we're unveiling the center console. You have your Type-C outlet. We done made our way up to your moonroof control with your interior lighting alongside your SOS safety connect. On the passenger door, you have your memory seat setting with your heated and cooled seats. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with more macchiato beige. You have your air vents. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 19.1 cubic feet. Wow, you could put a couple of golf clubs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Hampton Mercedes for allowing me to review the 2024 E350. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. I always give people a browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.